Hey, what's up, traders? To watch this video here for Tuesday, March 29th, the SPY continues, impressively so, to grind higher. I got somewhere I got to be, so I'm going to go right into the watch list and crank it out tonight. So what are we watching for tomorrow? HYMC was already on the gap playlist, ended up with a very strong move, very strong volume, has potential to continue. So we're going to keep an eye on that one tomorrow. Remember, I make my money between the bells, so I'm in cash every night. So these are all just potential setups for tomorrow if we get an A+ intraday setup like we teach in our chat room in our course. MRIN, it doesn't look like much, and I mean, I guess you could argue, well, it is. It's a good percentage move. Wasn't massive volume, but if you go to 5-minute candles, you see this all happened in the last 20 minutes of the day. So they had a late day headline, which oftentimes can be a recipe for follow through the next day. We will see, right? Goes on the list. The meme stocks, think AMC, GameStop. Here's another one, BBBY, very strong. So we're going to watch BBBY. I'll show you AMC is also going to be on the list. These are really extended though. You know what? I didn't put costs on the list, but I feel like maybe I should have. I'm going to type that in right now and add that to the list. It's just another one of the meme stocks and a pretty nice strength there. It's a thin one, so be careful if you trade it. So I'm going to put KOSS on there. PIK. Okay, I don't love this, but it did have a big move here, then a follow through, and then we were watching for a bounce play and caught this big rip on Friday, right? And then today, kind of a quiet inside day. I mean, almost no volume. So I am still looking for this to possibly turn back up tomorrow. We'll see if we get an A+ setup on that one. DATS. Big breakout today. Closing well off its highs though, but definitely worth keeping an eye on tomorrow. 188 million shares traded hands, topped out at 323. Closing well off the highs though, but we will put it on a chart. FRGE, big spike here, came back down, another big spike, and then today kind of an inside day. Topped out right around 21. It's extended. It's kind of far from the moving averages, which matters to me, right? Closed here and the moving averages are down here, but we're still going to put it on a chart. NEGG, the groups out there, the trading groups considered or decided this was also a meme stock. I guess maybe it was back in the day. I'm honestly not sure. But a nice pop, big volume, fairly strong close. I mean, well off its highs, but we're going to keep that one on watch tomorrow too. ANY, I believe, is Bitcoin related. Nice volume and a nice little mini breakout today. NRSN just goes right back on bounce watch. It's been on bounce watch for a couple days. No trigger, no trade, so it didn't trigger today. Goes right back on the watch list for tomorrow. This one's kind of obscure. I threw it on watch though because it ran from 4 to 12. I mean, quietly, right? On almost no volume until this day. And now it's kind of bleeding lower on almost no volume. But it's fallen now from 12 down to 652. I don't know. I don't love this one, but I'm going to put it on a chart. You really want to be careful with that thing, though. And then Kodak, KODK, is extended already, but in after hours, they had a nice headline, and it's trading at 730 as I'm speaking. We'll add other gappers to this list as well, and I will see everybody in the chat room in the morning.